The easiest way to see the battery percentage of your Apple Watch SE3 is to press on this button once to go to the control center. So just once like that, and then on the control center, you will see the battery percentage right there. Okay, you can even tap on it and see some more details on that battery percentage. But if you just click here, press once, you see that, and then you can exit using the crown. Now you can also check the battery percentage of your Apple Watch by taking your iPhone and then going to the extreme left, and you should see a widget there that shows all your battery percentages. Now, of course, you can add or remove this widget if you want to, but it's normally there by default, and you should see the battery percentage of all your devices. Now, it shows you a graphical representation of the current battery percentage. You might not see the exact battery percentage, but you can actually see that it's just a quarter somehow remaining of your battery. Now, if you want to see your battery percentage on the Apple Watch, on the watch face, then you need to select a favorable watch face like this one, which you can customize. So you can long press on it and then tap on edit, and then you can scroll to find complications and then go and add a battery complication. So you tap on that complication slot, and then if you scroll, you should see battery, and you can tap on it and add it. And then from now on, you will be seeing your battery life on your watch face. Simple as that. So you can actually see the battery percentage right on the watch face. So if you choose to be seeing it like that. So that is basically the 3 different ways you can see your battery percentage on your Apple Watch SE3. But this one requires a compatible watch face. Thanks for watching and good luck.